Miami market crisis. Let's talk about the Miami luxury home market, which hits new highs. Let's get into the numbers and understand how this alarming surge is reshaping the dynamics of Miami's housing market and how it impacts both buyers and sellers in Miami's luxury housing market. Sharon, your favorite Miami real estate agent here, and Miami's real estate scene has been on fire. So the new Miami data is out and luxury home sales in Miami are experiencing a remarkable surge. In fact, sales of luxury properties have surpassed the levels seen before 2020, showing us a clear indication that the Miami market is different from other markets. It shows us the market's resilience and the strong demand for upscale properties in Miami. So keep watching until the end for all the numbers. So let's jump right into the details. Miami-Dade luxury home sales in April skyrocketed by a shocking 94.3% compared to April 2019, with 340 transactions coming from 175 transactions. But what are the factors of this huge increase in home sales in the luxury market? Well, one of the driving factors behind this surge in luxury home sales is the influx of wealthy buyers from both domestic and international markets, okay? So Miami's desirable location, stunning waterfront properties, and favorable tax environment are attracting affluent individuals and families from around the globe. So people and companies from California and New York, for example, have been moving to Florida for the last 3 years. In fact, Florida ranked number 1 in the US in the in largest net gain of adjusted gross income due to domestic migration gaining 23.7 billion according to the most recent IRS migration data. So Miami-Dade's out-of-state home buyers with a mortgage earn nearly $100,000 in median household income. But does that really mean locals' income has increased? What do you say about that? Comment below, Miami locals. I want to hear from you below. Another contributing factor is the renewed confidence in the market. So despite the challenges posed by the pandemic, Miami's real estate sector has rebounded exceptionally well, and investors and buyers recognize the long-term value and potential for growth in Miami's luxury home market, making it an attractive destination for real estate investments. Additionally, we cannot forget about the lifestyle. Miami's luxury home market offers a wide range of amenities and features that cater to the discerning taste of affluent buyers looking for exclusivity. But also, the city of Miami itself has undergone a remarkable transformation in recent years with its vibrant arts and culture scene, world-class dining options, and a thriving business environment. Definitely, Miami has become a hot spot for those looking at luxurious and cosmopolitan lifestyle. In fact, according to the 2023 Knight Frank Wealth Report, Miami holds the 4th position globally for super prime real estate transactions valued at $10 million or more, and ranks 5th for ultra prime sales exceeding $25 million or more. Now, moving on, let's talk more in general about the market. So, Miami total home sales decreased 35.5% year over year in April and 15.7% decreased from 2019. So less and less sales, especially comparing the recent stats with a more normal market like 2019. So breaking that down, that means that Miami single-family home sales decreased 19.7% from last year and decreased 21% from 2019, while Miami existing condo sales decreased 44.4% year over year and 10.4% from 2019. Let's talk now about the median prices. So single-family home median prices increased 6.2% year over year in April, increasing from $565,000 to $600,000, and 5.3% increase from the previous month. In fact, this is the highest median price we had seen in Miami-Dade for single-family houses, which is very interesting how for the last few months the market has been increasing once again with higher rates. Similarly, existing condo median prices increased 6.4% year over year from $390,000 to $414,000, and 3.7% increase from the previous month. In April 2023, a significant portion of the homes that were bought had negotiations taking place in March, so we need to keep that in mind. During that time, mortgage rates kicked off at 6.71% and then rose to 7.03% on March 7, 2023. However, rates stabilized for a while before experiencing another increase. So to put things into perspective, on March 1st, 2022, the rates were at much lower 3.90%. And according to Freddie Mac, the 30-year fixed rate mortgage averaged 6.39% as of May 18th of this year. So let's talk now about inventory. The inventory of available homes in April in Miami-Dade reached the second lowest point in history for that month, only surpassing the numbers from April 2022. The total inventory dropped by 53.1% compared to the historical county average for April. Similarly, the number of new listings in April was the second lowest on record for that month. The new listings were down by 28.8% compared to the historical county average for April. So, looking specifically at single-family homes, the inventory increased by 28.3% in April compared to the previous year. For condos, the inventory rose by 34.6% year over year. In terms of new listings, there was a 30.1% decrease in Miami single-family homes, and condos also experienced a decrease of 25.3%. So, last point about inventory, the month supply of inventory for single-family homes increased by 73.7% to 3.3 months from last year, and existing condo inventory also saw a significant increase of 113%, reaching 4.9 months. However, here is where everything changed. While we're seeing increases year over year for both, for the single family data, it is showing decreases month over month. So since January, we are seeing this going down, the other way around, and we know what this means. So too much demand and low inventory, well, multiple offers on the table and bidding wars for sellers again. Talking about that, the median percent of original list price received for single family homes was 96.6% and 96% for condos in April. Yes, it is down from last year. However, they both actually are going up. We know that by seeing the median price going up as well. So sellers are getting offers close to the listing price or better. As far as the median time to contract, they both are going down. Taking less time to sell properties, single family homes are now taking 30 days and condos 37 days. So indeed, much faster. Certainly, the Miami luxury home market is experiencing an extraordinary upswing, providing unparalleled opportunities for both buyers and sellers. And despite past challenges, Miami's real estate sector has displayed remarkable resilience and attracted investors and buyers who recognize the long-term value and growth potential, not only in luxury housing, but also in other price ranges. In terms of the luxury market, this surge has turned Miami into a sought-after destination for luxury real estate investment. Thanks to its desirable location, stunning properties, and favorable tax environment. With a thriving market, it offers a promising landscape for buyers, seeking a luxurious lifestyle and sellers aiming to benefit from high demand and strong prices in Miami's luxury housing market. Now, on the other side, the other price ranges, the market will continue to move in. Right now is getting more difficult with low inventory. So condos are getting more inventory month over month, yes, but not houses. Houses, not really. I mean, if you know someone who is thinking either to sell or to buy in 2023 or 2024, share this video with that person. You can always complete the form below to talk about your or their future plans. This is free, no commitment with me. Listen, I am guessing that mortgage rates will be going down later this year, or let's say next year at the beginning. So you need to be ready for that. You can also call me at my direct phone number 786-376-2398 to chat. And hey, don't forget to check out my latest video. Click here to watch the video and I'll see you there.